Are you tired? Are you tired of watching a bunch of business credit videos and still feeling lost at what exactly you need to do to move forward? Well, I'm happy to tell you I have the answer for you today, and it is the 90-day Build Business Credit Challenge. And so I am challenging you as well as myself to go on this journey of building business credit in 90 days. And so in this challenge, we are going to assess where we are and set goals to get to where we want to be. And so that is the homework I'm giving you today in day one, and that is to assess your situation. First, you're gonna know whether or not your business is set up properly. Secondly, you are gonna know how much business credit you currently have, and then you are also gonna know how much business credit do you need or want to have for the growth of your business. Thirdly, you're gonna know your personal credit score. And so now it's time for me to go through the business credit checklist. First, do I have an LLC? Yes, I currently have an LLC set up. It is in good standing as I filed my annual paperwork and I don't have any pending lawsuits or anything like that. Next, do I have a business phone number? And so yes, I have a toll-free number as well as a local business number. Next, do I have an EIN? Yes, I currently do have an EIN. Then, do I have a business bank account? I currently have 2 business bank accounts, one with Relay and one with Novo. So I'm good in that area, but I would also like to open up another business bank account, either with a local credit union or with a national bank. And I'll definitely talk about that more in the next 90 days. Next question I need to ask is if I have a business website. And so I currently do have a business website. It is public, but there's a lot more work that I need to do. Next, do I have a 411 listing? I do currently have my business phone number listed in the 411 registry, but it might not be updated with my current business phone number. And that is something I need to double check and could potentially hurt me in the process of building business credit if I don't get it fully updated. Next, I'm gonna confirm that my Dun & Bradstreet profile is set up correctly and that I have a DUNS number. This is a free number that every business owner should have. And one of the most important things that I need to check is a business address. And so yes, I am operating my business from home, but I do not want my home address publicly listed. And so I'm going to confirm that my virtual business address is set up correctly. And so it's very important when building business credit that we build that foundation and that foundation is consistent across all platforms. And what that looks like is that the business phone number as well as the business address listed on Dun & Bradstreet matches the same business phone number and address listed on our bank account. And so I don't want to discourage you. If you're unable to successfully check all of those points, you still can build business credit, but you might not build as much. And so if you need to set up any of these foundational steps in building business credit, you can find helpful links in the description below. And to give you insight to my current stats, I currently have $11,000 of business credit. My goal by the end of these 90 days is to have $50,000 of business credit available for me to use at any given time. And so one of the questions is, do you want to join me on this journey? You don't have to have the same goal, but it is very important for you to have a goal so that you can strive to achieve it. And so currently I have no trade lines. I don't have any vendor accounts set up. I also have 2 hard inquiries on my personal credit within the past 2 years. And so the number of hard inquiries you have affects about 10% of your personal credit score. And so right now my credit score is at a 770. Different credit bureaus have different scores, but they all average around to about 770. And so the 11,000 can be broken down into 2 credit cards. On my Capital on Tap credit card, I have 4,000. And on my Chase Business Cash card, I have 7,000. And what's really great about Capital on Tap is that they just do a soft inquiry. They do not do a hard credit check. And so this is very, very rare in the business credit community because most companies will do a hard pull. But fortunately for me, Capital on Tap only did a soft pull. And then when it comes to Chase, I have had a long existing personal relationship with them, but I did not have a business relationship with them. And so before applying, I probably should have opened up a business bank account first and then applied for business credit. I probably would have gotten a larger business credit line if I would have done that first. But here we are. Mistakes were made, but they were made on this journey of building business credit. And to give you more insight, currently I have an A+ Experian rating. And so both Capital on Tap and Chase are reporting to the Experian Business Credit Bureau, which is a good start. But I also need to build up my business credit with Dun & Bradstreet as well as Equifax. And so that is going to be one of my minor goals in helping me get to that 50K mark. And so there it is. This is an assessment of where I am right now today in my business credit journey. And so now I want to hear from you. Are you going to join me on this business credit journey? And what is your business credit goal? Let me know in the comments. I cannot wait to see you next time. Peace, stay building.